Everyone, considering that the admission process is now done, all of you might be coming to Delhi very soon since the orientation is about to begin and it's on 1st of August. Now the thing is, there are a lot of things that you have to consider when you're living in Delhi. The biggest problem would be where to live, the PG, the hostel and things like that. So when you come to Delhi, the first thing that you'll notice is जब भी आप college में कहीं पे भी घूम रहे होगे और you're exploring the campus, what will happen is you'll meet a lot of people literally streets पे asking you कि oh, are you looking for a PG? This is a PG and here everything is nice, come with us and all of that. You meet a lot of people who will tell you and ask you to come to their PGs and explore it. However, what happens during this time is there are a lot of scams also happening. During my time as well, when I went towards the South Delhi area for exploring, a lot of people came to my mom and my dad on the streets and they asked me and my parents if we were looking for a PG or not. So all of this can happen, and I really wish at that point of time there was some kind of a feature or an app which could have made it easier for me to look for PGs. So you can either go on YouTube or scroll Instagram, but one thing that I will tell you to do is, and is my personal recommendation, is this feature by DuBuddy, and you can comment link, and on their page what you will find is a list of all the PGs with their cost already written, so there will be no drama of cost getting increased or something like that. A list of all the PGs for boys and girls and a lot of other details that are very important for PGs. So the feature is Ding, and you can also check their Instagram. So comment down below link for all of the details.